Welcome back to the next section of Visual Studio Code and Docker training. And this section is going to be fun because we're going to build and debug our application. And we're going to learn how the debug component actually works within Visual Studio Code. So let's take a look at debug. So the debug screen is in actual Visual Studio Code on the left-hand side, this toolbar, and you can see this actual icon right here. It's a triangle with a bug, and that's the debug icon. So when we click on that, it brings us into the debug screen, and you can see there's variables and watching, call stack, etc. Now, when we actually run debug on our test application, you can see it actually brings in all the variables it finds in our application. And if we're watching anything, it actually shows you exactly what variables we're watching, and it produces exactly the results. We can also introduce breakpoints. This little red dot right here is a breakpoint. And what that essentially does, it tells the application to stop going further. So we can actually stop our application from running to a certain point. And at this point, we tell it, okay, stop right there. And then we can actually debug further our application. This is super helpful when you actually have an issue like halfway down the application, but you can't find it. So you can actually tell, okay, our debug, we want to stop the application right here, and then we can actually jump in right here. And with the watch, we can actually add variables to watch. For example, our images variable, we can add it here, and then when the application runs and sees this variable, it prints exactly what it finds. If you remember back to any type of debugging you did in the console or on the terminal, usually you always put like an echo there. So you're echoing out a variable to see if it actually works. And this is essentially doing it much nicer handling. And then if there's any issues, we actually see it here in the watch and up in the variable section as well. So we'll see that in the lab. We're going to get started and we're going to introduce breakpoints. We're going to break our application and we're actually going to debug it and fix it and redeploy it with debug. So join me in the lab as we're going to debug our application.